Conjugating the present tense in Latin. Latin verbs in the present tense have two parts. One part is the stem, and one part is the ending. And you put those two pieces together to create a form. So in Latin, the present stem is obtained by taking the infinitive form. And we'll use the example of parare. That means to prepare, because it ends in an RE. That's the infinitive form. And what we'll do is we'll actually chop that RE off, and the remaining letters make up the present stem. So para will form the basis for all of our present tense forms. Next, what you want to do is you want to add the personal endings to the stem of parare. So the personal endings, there are 6 of them. 3 are singular and 3 are plural. Go in order like this. The pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, you plural, and they. So those are the personal pronouns. The personal endings, the endings in Latin that correspond to each pronoun, are these. For I, it's O. For you, singular, it's an S. For he, she, or it, it's a T. For we, it's MUS. For you, plural, it's TIS. And for they, it's NT. So sometimes we use terminology like the first person singular ending is O, or the third person plural ending is NT. So that's generally the chart that is used. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this present stem, remember we said it was going to be present stem plus the endings, the personal endings, to form the present of the verb parare. So para plus O. Now what happens when you put those together, you get parao, which is hard to say, and so it actually contracts and you just get paro. For the you singular form, you're going to take para, add an S to it, and you end up with the form paras. Para plus T is how you form the he, she, it form, parat. Then for we prepare, it's paramus. Sorry, I forgot to do it in pieces. So it's para plus mus, which is paramus. Then you take para with TIS, and that forms you plural, prepare, paratus. And the last one is para plus NT, and that gives you the form parant. So now we have all 6 forms of the present of parara: paro, paras, parat, paramus, paratus, parant. So now we have the conjugation of the verb parare in the present, and we can translate each form. So paro means I prepare, because the O ending corresponds to the pronoun I. Then you prepare, that's singular. Parat means he, she, or it prepares. Paramus means we prepare. Paratis means you, plural, prepare. And finally, parant, they prepare. So there is the conjugation of parare in the present with its translations.